Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making Baba's creamy garlic dressing. Now, for those who don't know, Baba is Ukrainian for grandmother. And if you know us Ukrainians, you know we like our garlic. So let's take a look at how we make a garlic salad. To make Baba's creamy garlic dressing, you're going to need 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/3 of a cup, that's 80 milliliters, of sour cream, and 2/3 of a cup, that's 160 milliliters of mayonnaise. You're also going to need salt, pepper, and Lowry's seasoned salt. Normally I make the dressing directly in the mason jar I use to store it. However, I know that's not exactly the easiest thing to see on camera, so I'm going to be making it in a container with a larger opening. But you can go ahead and make it right in the container. Step 1 is to peel the garlic cloves. Now that you've peeled the cloves, you can press them into the container. Step 2, add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. Step 3, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Step 4, add 2 tablespoons of milk. Step, I don't remember what number we're on. We're going to add 1/3 of a cup, that's 80 milliliters of sour cream. Step 11D7, we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Step Infinity in 1, we're going to mix it all together. If anything's splattered up or, garlic press is up on the sides from when you were pressing it, just move it down into the mix. Step Pi, we're going to add the seasoning. First of all, the Lowry's seasoning salt. This is the dominant seasoning flavor, so add a fair amount of it. We don't need to add a heck of a lot of salt because, well, we just added seasoned salt. And pepper is the middle child. Add a fair amount, but not as much as the Lowry's seasoned salt. And again, mix it all together. And there you have it, a wonderfully creamy and garlicky dressing for a salad. I find that 2 spoonfuls, which works out to 1 1/4 ounces or 37.5 milliliters, is good tossed over 1 whole romaine heart. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, you can go ahead and click up here to subscribe. Down here is a video that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think you might enjoy. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.